Unboxing time. This is what I bought at JB Hi-Fi during the Black Fridays. Interview unboxing. So I bought the SanDisk SSD card, 2 terabytes. It was $279. We're gonna open that in a sec. But the real unboxing has to do with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So beautiful, look at that. Wow, let's unbox this together. Hi! I got the creator combo, which comes with 3 protective cover, the transmitter, handheld quarter thread battery handle, mini tripod, Type-C cable, carrying bag, the clip magnet, mic true windscreen with wide angle lens, DJI wrist strap. The reason why I bought the creator combo was because I wanted the mic, the extra battery handle, and the tripod. The wide angle I'm pretty interested about, but without, if you don't get the creator combo, you don't get like these extra things, which I don't think is, it's kind of worth, but not that worth, if that makes sense. That's why I got the creator combo, so that I could get these extra things, and it was like 1.1, and the combo without the combo is like $800, so it's only like $300 more, which you can get that, and like it probably works out cheaper to just get that alone and this alone, or get like the dupe version of them, but I was just like, nah, I'm just gonna buy it. So this is how it's supposed to look like. It's actually quite small, and yeah, this will be my new vlog cam. So we're gonna unbox this together if I can get it to open. Wow, so fancy looking. Look at the bag. It looks like in the bag, and oh my god, so cute. I'll have a play with this in a sec. These are all the little tools. Extra battery. Tripod. Mic, I think. Wide angle lens. Cable. The mic thinger, this thinger, This bag is actually pretty cute, and look at that compact. I like this. It's like a little makeup bag. It's a battery bag. She looks like that. Oh, so fluffy and cute. Comes with a little strap. Tripod. The wide angle lens, which I will just actually keep in this protective sleeve. You also get some stickers. I love a good old sticker. I think there's a few in here. Wow, there's different types of stickers. That says DJI. We've got this one, this, the drones. And that is my favorite. I'll stick that somewhere. The portable I was talking about, look how tiny. Literally smaller than my palm. It's so cute. This is the overview of what you get in the creator combo. So you get the bag, cam, case, tripod, mic, and the covers and the wide angle. I think this is a pretty solid. I think I'm going to end up getting another case because maybe I just don't want it to be all black, but that's a future thing that I'll look into. I'm going to connect everything and see how it goes. I believe this comes in here. So it sits like that. And it's got the light on, which means it's charging, and then if I want to disconnect, I'm out. Oh, I press here as well. So, oh, I get 2 battery packs. Okay, nice. And the tripod. Oh wait, tripod sits underneath this thing. It sits like that. So it looks like that. Cute. I believe this sits on top of this. Oh my god, that is so cute. Looks like it's got a little outfit. And the wide angle lens. So there's a user guide that you can download, which I used to have because I had the DJI gimbal. And then you just have to download it. There's a quick starter guide, which tells you how to use it. 1, 2. SD card, which I have to buy and I haven't bought one. Oh my gosh. But I will probably use the one in this current camera. And yeah. Connect to camera. Okay. There's the pocket. Yep. Connecting. Just register the device. Basically tells you everything. And you can update the firmware. Video, low light, slow-mo. Tap to select gimbal mode. Face order. Nope. wait to use this camera. I'm so excited. And I'll do some filming on this tomorrow. So stay tuned. Officially trying the new DJI. And it kind of looks really cute. It didn't look that cute when I was filming last night because everything looks really washed out. But now that I'm looking, it's not too bad. I'm probably gonna connect it to my phone and we can see what it looks like in real time. What is this beauty effect on my face? Oh, the wide angle lens looks so good. Look. Oh, can I do that again? These are my favorite flowers.